air travel in India that hit an outrageous new high. In fact, flight tickets that are being booked, people who are booking flight tickets now after this absolute meltdown of the aviation sector are now paying double, triple, 5 times the price for their tickets. If I could show you, Delhi to Mumbai, what used to cost 5,350 is now touching 1.7 lakh. Delhi to Chennai from 5,900 now 1.6 lakh for the ticket. Delhi to Hyderabad, what was 90,000? In fact, we hear that the ticket, which is hardly 6-7,000, is now 90,000 for a one-way ticket. Delhi to Kolkata from 4,620 is 98,000. This is how high prices have shot up. A mad scramble to get on any flight has sent fares now skyrocketing as thousands desperately trying to escape the airport hell. Because Indigo, India's biggest airline, has now suffered its worst operational meltdown. 400 flights today alone, 1,000 flights overall in the last 4 days have been cancelled. In metro cities that saw that chaos was Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, all choked. Passengers now living that nightmare as I speak. One of them was Namita, who was carrying her father's ashes on her way to Haridwar for Asthi Visarjan. Her flight got cancelled and she had to rebook on another airline. She was asked to pay 60,000 rupees and she had no money.
मेरे डैड की अस्थियां है मेरे साथ और मुझे यहाँ बेंगलोर से सबसे पहले दिल्ली जाना है। दिल्ली से फ्लाइट लेना है देहरादून से हम लोग हरिद्वार जाएंगे, विसर्जन करना है कल। बट इन्होंने सडनली फ्लाइट कैंसिल कर दिया। हमारे पास प्रायर नोटिफिकेशन कुछ भी नहीं भेजा इन लोगों ने। एंड अभी हमें ये फोर्स कर रहे हैं कि अगर आप, हमारे पास कोई फ्लाइट्स नहीं है आज के लिए, अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप दूसरी फ्लाइट्स, दूसरी एयर इंडिया या कुछ और कीजिए। उनका फ्लाइट टिकट्स आज पर पर्सन 60,000 है, विच आई कैन नॉट अफोर्ड। And we are 5 people here. We want to go, and there are no train tickets, no bus tickets.
And then we saw a newlywed couple who were forced to attend their own wedding reception online because their Bhubaneswar flight did not even take off. The wedding couple had to address the guests that they had invited through a video conference call. One passenger sadly lost his mind. A passenger there really lost his mind as his daughter was on her first day of periods, and he literally begged the airport staff there to give him a sanitary pad. A father there arguing and fighting with the airport staff there to give him a pad.